This is the SupCase Battle Pod. Out of my collection of AirPod cases, this is probably the most over-the-top looking product that I've come across. Honestly, what is the point of all this? Battle Pod. At MobileReviewsEh, Monty and I base our reviews on actual usage, and when a normal person will say sees a product that looks like this, they just keep scrolling or they just keep walking by the store, but with us, we have to go buy it and use it and rank it. The top 10 AirPod case video is dropping real soon, and this SupCase Battle Pod, this is actually number 7. The SupCase Battle Pod is larger than your average case. It's covered in fake leather and fake screws. I'll admit that it has a unique look, as there aren't too many AirPod cases out there that makes your headphones look like a tiny leather satchel. There are 2 color options to choose from, brown leather or black leather, and SupCase says the case is made from premium fake leather, TPU and polycarbonate. Now I'll be honest with you, I don't know what parts of this case are actually polycarbonate because most of it just feels very soft and squishy, which is the TPU pieces. I will note that the inside of the case actually has 2 stickers, and that kind of stood out to me because that improves the fit of the product, so I guess the first time around they designed this thing, it didn't quite work well. Now, one of the first things you probably notice about this product is that this is a really big strap for a tiny, tiny case. Now, most products for AirPod cases anyways use carabiners, key loops, but SupCase gives you what they call a wrist strap. And a wrist strap is a stretch because my hands aren't that big, and there's no way I can put this on my wrist. This is probably gonna be a wrist strap for either dogs or small children. Yeah, I'll take it back. Here you go. But I will admit that the strap does make it easier to pull your AirPods out of your pockets or hang them on a coat rack. I'm totally gonna start doing that. Go home, keys on the coat rack, coat on the coat rack, AirPods on the coat rack, because you don't have to use these at home, right? Now, the 2-piece design ensures that the click remains intact, and they actually, like most cases, put a sticky at the top of this piece so that it doesn't come off very, very easily or at all. The Battle Pods have a small cutout for the status light, but if you want to sync your AirPods to another iOS device, you'll need to take your AirPods out of your Battle Pods because you can't push that button through this very thick case. The overall handling of the product isn't bad. There's a lot of texture from the fake leather and the fake screws that won't make you feel like your AirPods are going to squirt out of your hands, and it also won't pull your pockets out like the Spigen Tough Armor will, which is a similar product. Both the Spigen product and this thing, they're just so many extraneous things that just seem unnecessary. If you are fancying this case, get it through my links, as this channel is unsponsored, which means your support is all I get. When it comes to protection, the corners of the Battle Pods have air pockets on the inside, which is something that I don't usually see on AirPod cases, but that still won't do much because when you drop the AirPods on the ground, everything comes flying out. I don't actually know where the second one went. There's one. Where's the second one? Oh, frick. There it is. And I guess that's actually what bothers me the most about this case, is that it's designed to look like something else that it's not, but it has a really aggressive name that exudes some sort of protection, but it does nothing special. Oh, Battle Pod, Battle Pod. So that's all I got for this review. First time watching my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. This is video number 51 in the isolation video series, so we are just cranking the content out. Thanks for watching. This is the SupCase Battle Pod. Out of my collection of AirPod cases, this product is probably the most over the top in terms of appearances. Now, the 2-piece design ensures that the click of the AirPod's cap remains intact, and there's a sticky at the bottom of that cap, so that cap doesn't come off. Crap, I said cap a lot. I put it on backwards.